Are you running ads but not really sure if they're working? The secret is getting the right data. And that means connecting your Google Analytics and Google Ads accounts. Hi, I'm Marta, creator of the Social School and digital marketing consultant, where I help small businesses optimize their digital presence. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to link your Google Ads and Google Analytics accounts. But before we dive in, let's talk about why you would even want to connect these two platforms. So Google Analytics shows you what people are doing on your website, and Google Ads shows you how people got there. And when you connect them, you see the full journey from the click all the way through to the conversion. And that means you'll know exactly which ads are driving sales, leads, or signups on your website. So let's start inside your Google Analytics account. I recommend using GA4 since Universal Analytics is no longer supported. So log into your Google Analytics account, and in the lower left-hand corner, click the gear icon for admin. Under the product links section, click Google Ad Links. You'll see an option to link Google Ads accounts. If your Google Ads account is under the same login, it should pop up right away. Choose the account you want to link. I recommend turning on Enable Personalized Advertising. You can also enable auto tagging. Once you've checked your preferences, click Submit. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe and drop a comment below letting me know what you'd like to learn next.